Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kayum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm making me a cucumber salad. And what is different in this salad, I'm going to leave it in a little sugar and apple cider vinegar. Okay, and look how pretty it is. So what we need in it is third cup of sugar, a third cup of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon or less of salt and water, few peppers, one cucumber and one small carrot. That's it. That's all we need. So there you see it. You see the carrots. If you can tolerate apple cider vinegar, if you can't, you can also use the regular white vinegar, but since everybody says the vinegar is very good, the apple cider vinegar, so let's use that one. And I just dissolve the sugar in the apple cider vinegar. Okay, there you go. All right, so simple. Just dump the cucumbers in. Okay, I have a little bit cider on the side if I want to put a little bit more, because I don't mind. It will be a little sour cucumber. Okay, so carrots. Okay, pepper. Choose your peppers. You can use jalapeno peppers, you can use hot red chili peppers, or whatever you prefer, you can use it. I like hot peppers, so I'm using hot peppers. Now put the water, make sure it's enough that everything is covered in it. Oh, my mouth is watering already. That's so good. Alrighty, so just make sure everything is covered. That's all we need to do. Sure. Okay, all right, I will add a little more apple cider vinegar because I don't mind a little bit sour. This is going to be hot and sour. Okay, let's cover it with the plastic, put it in the fridge overnight, or you can just let it sit there for 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. Serve it any way you want, with salads, with rice, with soup, as a side. Oh, yum. That is so good. I just added a little bit of chaat masala on it, or not necessary, totally optional. Alrighty, let me taste one. Good. That is so good. Bismillah. All right, so this was so easy. That's it, done. Put everything in the sandwich and you can have it this way too. I have turkey, tomatoes, cucumber, carrots and lettuce. That is so healthy. What else do you want? Alrighty, so this was my